Blade. Sit down. Good boy. So this is Blade. He's a very good dog. He knows how to sit and how to lay down, and he's very affectionate, right? He gives kisses, and he's a very good dog. Unfortunately, he doesn't like cats. Well, he probably likes cats, but they don't like him. He thinks they're toys, and they think he's a big scary monster. And this morning, I woke up to them fighting to a point where our male cat, Comet, was spraying because he was so scared and so... I don't know what the word is, but they just... He was living in terror, and unfortunately we've had, well, not unfortunately, but we've had these cats for 2 years, and we love them, and we've had Blade for 2 days, and he's a great dog, but I can't let our cats live in fear their entire existence just because we want to keep Blade. Blade is a purebred Siberian Husky. He's about 4 years old, and that makes him pretty coveted. So I don't think it'll be a problem. Hey, buddy. Hey. Hi. I don't think it'll be a problem for somebody to pick him up and him finding a loving home. But I wanted to make sure that we had some kind of documentation to prove and to show how good of a dog he really is. And so he's just a really good dog. And wherever he ends up with whomever or whatever, I know he's going to be in good hands, because it only took 2 days for me to fall in love with him. So, anyway, what are you doing, puppy? So, that's him. Anyway.